are you today? We're going to be doing a look with the Huda Beauty Naughty palette. I cannot stop thinking about this palette. Ever since we did the eye swatches of this palette, it's just been on my brain. I've been wanting to play with it so bad, so I thought today I would sit down and do that. If you missed it, I will link the swatch video down below. Or just go to my videos if I forget. I'm terrible at linking things. We did eye swatches of every single one of the shades in this palette so you can see how it looks on the eyes and all that, and it was phenomenal. Just heavenly. Heavenly! We're gonna get into that. If you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just prepping my eyes with a little bit of concealer. First off, I want to go into the shade Rough. This is my ColourPop E22 brush. I think it came in a brush set recently. I have a little brush roll here. Is it the Stone Cold Fox palette? That last one that I didn't end up doing eye swatches on? Well, you guys, the thing is, I recorded those eye swatches and I can't remember what happened, but I didn't get around to editing the video. I still have them on my computer, but I filmed it like forever ago when the palette first came out. And I don't know if you'd still want to see them, but if you still want to, let me know in the comments down below and I will edit that. Hopefully, I think I still have the footage. Let's get into Untamed. Oh my gosh, these shadows are such a dream to work with. I'm not even kidding you guys. If you've never tried a Huda Beauty formula, you are missing out, girl. It is nice. It builds so beautifully. They're so pigmented. I like this brush too. ColourPop's got some nice brushes. Did you guys buy anything from the ColourPop Hello Kitty collection? I have those live swatches coming up very, very soon. You guys, I'm so sorry if these just like me playing with makeup videos are boring for you. I'm a little concerned about my Shameless this year. First of all, it was just so last minute. So I'm not proud of my content so far because I told you guys my family was not okay with me doing Shameless. Point blank. And then the night before Shameless started, I was like, I'm doing it. I love Shameless. And I just normally am so much more prepared. And so I'm really trying hard to figure out something different we can do. Let's go into the shade Spicy to kind of spice up Shameless, if you will. But the other part is, the reason why I love Shameless is because I feel like I finally get to play with the makeup that I swatch all year long. But I know tutorials are just so, like, people really don't click on tutorials anymore, which is understandable. You know, you want something to be entertained with, and I don't know that tutorials are necessarily that. I hope it's not too boring for you guys. I promise you, I'm really, I'm up till like 4 or 5 a.m. just brainstorming on different things I could do, and I'm working on it. It's hard. It's actually really hard to come up with content every day for a month when you're really kind of just makeup related. You know what I mean? So I'm always open to suggestions. If whatever you guys want to see that you think would be just entertaining and fun, never be afraid to share it with me. I'd love to hear your ideas. You guys have amazing ideas. So next, we want to jump into some of these shimmers. I had an irate comment on my Naughty palette eye swatch video saying, "You effing dumb stupid," like this insane comment about how Slippery is meant to be used as a base. So I'm sorry that I swatched it. I'm not sorry. I don't really give a shit. But apparently it's meant to be used as a base and I used it wrong. So I will start with it as a base today so that person can just, you know, try to learn how to be nice. So this is for you, mean person. But the thing is it has color to it, you know? So I don't think it's only meant to be used as a base. I don't think that's so crazy, you know? And then on top of that, I'm sorry, you probably could have assumed where I was gonna go, but I need to try this. I need to. And we're gonna pop that right on top. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that beautiful color. My goodness. There are no words to describe that beauty. It is so good. So freaking good. Huda, oh my god, girl. Amazing. Okay, let's tightline. I'm going to use the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Prance. I thought this would be a fun pop of color. It's giving me like Sugar Plum Fairy vibes, you know? So creamy. I say time and time again, but I feel like they secretly improved the eyeliner formula. It's so creamy. Was that a mistake? I don't know. We'll see. My face makeup is terrible today. I did it like I think too soon after I got out of the shower. Does this ever happen to you guys? Like you do your makeup super quick after you get out of the shower and like your foundation, I think my skin was like still wet. And so it looks terrible and splotchy. I'm so upset with it. Okay, so for under the eyes, I want to take, let's just go back into Rough and we will smudge that under there. I am so excited for this weekend. I told Alok, he's been on like a crazy Madden kick lately. Well, first of all, let me just say in general, I hate football season. Alok is a crazy, crazy football fan, and during football season, like, I basically stay upstairs. I try to watch as much as I can with him, but I hate it. He screams, he yells, he gets all pissed off when like things happen. And the worst part is like he doesn't just watch his sports team. He has to watch every single game and analyze every single game for every single team. And I'm like, why don't you just care about your team? Like, then I'd only have to suffer through one game. And he's like, oh, well, you know, like, this matters, this matters. And I'm like, no, I hate it. I hate the football. And the other thing is that when football season comes around, he gets really back into Madden because he's on, like, football overdrive. And so if he's not watching football, he wants to play Madden. So I made him promise me this Saturday, no football game, because there's been, like, extra football games this week because of all this COVID madness. There's one on Monday and Tuesday. And then, of course, all of Sunday is football. So I said Saturday is for baking Christmas goods, watching Christmas movies, and singing, and happiness, and no football. So I'm really excited for Saturday because I feel like I am owed this. I've been such a good football wife. I've completely given him our living room because A, he's working from home like everybody, so his office has taken over the living room. But not only that, it's like football central. It's just, it's madness. I can't take it. I can't take it. I will say, though, he was really great last week, and I made him watch at, like, midnight. I made us watch The Holiday, Nightmare Before Christmas, and then even before that, I made him rewatch Hamilton for the 100th time. And you know how long Hamilton is, so he was a good sport. I gotta give him more credit. He hates The Holiday, and it breaks my heart. And I get it. He was like, this is the cheesiest, like, worst movie ever. And I'm like, yeah, but that's why it's so good. Like, it's like a feel-good movie. It's not meant to be like an Academy Award winner. You know, no one's getting Oscars, but it's so, so good. Oh, and I made him watch Titanic. You know what? I'm not being fair. He actually really suffered through it last weekend. I can't tell if this is pretty makeup or the ugliest makeup I've ever done. It's pretty, right? We're gonna say it's pretty. Okay, next, I don't want to get crazy with a wing. I just want enough wing so that the my lashes don't look weird, you know? But I don't want to take away from the beautiful, beautiful shadow. So we're just going to do a light wing. Okay, now I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. This is the NARS Climax Mascara. I've actually really been enjoying this lately. I'm not one for big brushes. You guys know me. I like a small brush, but I actually really like this mascara. But I don't want to put too much because I do want falsies. This shadow is too pretty not to have them, even though I hate false lashes more than anything in the world. For falsies, I'm going to use the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. Is there a certain style here? Faux Mink Wispies, I guess. I don't see any other, like, word. And I'm going to speed through this because I'm shit at it and it takes me forever, so I'll be right back. Okay, I don't hate the eyes as much now that I have the lashes on, and I think those lashes are actually pretty cute. So, good job, Ardell. Now we're going to get into blush. I'm going to use Patrick Ta. She's Seductive. I didn't want anything to really fight with the eye color, so I think that this will be good. I think it's soft enough. Take some of this because it's kind of, I don't know, kind of like a bronzy rose, I would say. My face texture right now is so terrible. I have to figure out what's going on. Something is going on. I have dry splotches under my eyes, and you guys, I swear it's my water here. I found out we have like well water, which I didn't know. We just rent, and I think it ruined my hair. Alok, who's had oily skin his entire life, has dry patches all over him to where they're scarring. And I'm like, something is going on. And I have filters everywhere in the house. And we have like, because of this whole water issue, I mean, I never drank tap water anyway. We would always just get, you know, the bottled jugs. But a year ago, this was actually really nice. My dad got me like a water cooler for Christmas. Then we have a water shop next to our house and we go there to get our like super filtered water. But we even brush our teeth with that water now because I'm so paranoid, and I swear it's the water. It sucks. Having well water sucks. I will live in the shittiest house when we finally buy a house as long as I can have not well water. And I'm telling you guys, if you're looking into houses, like, make sure you know the water quality before you purchase because it is life ruining. I mean, it's ruined our clothes. I'm gonna pop, oh, I didn't even tell you guys, sorry, I'm like on such a water rant. This is the Kaleidos Charisma Contour Palette, and I'm taking some of that brightening powder to try to kind of buff over that rough patch I have. It's just so crazy, you guys. For lips, I'm going to take this Dose of Colors Stone Liquid Lipstick. These eyes, it's like hard to find a lip color for and a blush color for. I was like, I can either go super nude, but I wanted to try something with a little color, so I hope this works out. Oh yeah, I think this will be nice. Is that too much? I don't think so. I think it's nice, right? And then I might try this also. This is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte in the shade Provocateur. Is this going to completely cover up what I just did? Yeah, it is, isn't it? Actually, I kind of like this better. I think this is cool. What do you think? I like this better. And then for highlighter, this is a new favorite. Well, not super new. This is the ColourPop Manifest That. It was like in their tie-dye collection, I think. So pretty. So pretty. So I either take it with a sponge or a brush or my finger and just pop her on. But I love how big it is. If you wanted like a body highlighter, I think it would be really nice. Oh, I'm trying not to get too carried away. But here I go, getting carried away. All right, and I'm gonna set all that with my Milk Hydro Spray. And that is it for this look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it's so pretty. It's a little different for me, so I really, really like it. Links to everything I used will be in the bottom box down below. I love you guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow's new video. Also, if you haven't already, head over to my Instagram and please give me a follow there if you wouldn't mind. It's ThatGirlShayXO, just like my channel. I have some giveaways coming up, possibly this weekend, but definitely next week. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!